Alright guys, so I just got a notification from YouTube Studio, the app that connects to YouTube. It's not the YouTube app, but one that helps you if you are a creator and you're making videos and all of that. So this is the February recap for the Bridget Rao Tarot channel, and as you can see, there was 7 videos, 15 shorts, and 8 posts, and they say the hard work is paying off. It got you 2 times more views than usual. People watched your channel 9.6 thousand times, and you can see like September, October, November, December, January, I've been trying to produce more. And I haven't been producing like insane amount, but more. And then most viewers were new to your channel, so that's cool. And they watched mostly recent uploads, but they've also been watching the old ones. And the reason for that is I'm making pick-a cards again, which I've made many of in the past. So when I make a new pick-a card and people watch it, my old pick-a cards get recommended. People didn't just watch, they reached out with 610 likes, 22 shares, and 68 comments. Wow. I don't know if I saw all of those. Get more consistent viewership with evergreen content. Choose topics that stay relevant. Make it searchable. And keep your catalog up to date. And so you can change thumbnails. You can change titles. You can, make sure you're answering common questions that are trending. You can go into different places like Ask the Public or Google Trends and see what's being asked the most. You can go to Quora, it's like a question website, and search the things that your niche is related to. Like if you're going to be making content about a specific topic, search those specific topics. How-to videos, explainers, reviews, those are also things that are easy to be consistent in sharing and get views on. So stay tuned for more. Whether you're planning, creating, or resting, have a good month. I've been on YouTube for a long time, but I still, have those days, or most days, where it feels like you're not doing enough, that you're not seeing any results, that, do you wonder if people even like it? Are people, because like on the one video that you make, you may not see 68 comments, you may not see all those shares. I don't know when people share the video. I don't know, all of that information that was there. That seems like a lot in comparison to what I saw this last month. Sometimes you feel like, there's just always that thing inside of you, like, or I could do better, or I should do more, or I'm not doing enough, or whatever. But when you see things like this, it helps you to realize that you are doing it, and to keep doing it, and that, you're learning, you're growing, you're evolving. So here, YouTube Studio, I have a lot of them because I have more than one channel, but this is for the big channel. So look at that. Look, the green is good. There's been more views. There's been more watch time. The subscribers have been going down because it was at 50,000, and then I started creating content that was different than what I created in the past, and I wasn't consistent at all, and it was just like, it dropped. But now it's getting better. Revenue is coming in. So then there's all these things in here like tips for your thumbnails. Learn how YouTube recommends content. Here there's a lot of things like a research button, so it can help you to research and explore topics that are relevant as well, like top searches that are bringing people to me, or pick a card, past life tarot, pick a card. These are recent videos that are similar, so you can look at other people's to get ideas. And top searches: 8 signs the universe wants you to be with someone, Capricorn person on your mind. Top searches again: twin flame, soulmate, karmic partner. So these are good places. Once you've been giving YouTube a little bit of like content, it will kind of figure it out. That's one of the reasons why they say like niche down, because if you're doing wicked broad, crazy different stuff, it's hard for it to like show you specific information or recommendations. So there's a revenue button, an audience button, a content button, and it will let you know like how many subscribers, the times that are most watched, and then age of your people, gender of your people, geography of your people, the watch time from subscribers, what your audience watches. So if you see these, you can make content similar to it. Channel that your audience watch, you can check out these other channels and see what they do, because it's similar to the stuff that the people are coming to you for. And it's just a good tool to have, obviously. Then, boop, we'll go to this channel. This is my other channel. So this one's not doing that good right now, but it had been. But I think, let's see, my content is here. So I know this one, when you go to this one specifically, everything's in the up. So the average view duration is up, the click-through rate is up, the views are up. But I would expect that because I know the people on this channel like this type of content, so it makes sense for me to create that type of content. It's kind of silly when we don't do what we know the people want, because it's like, why am I doing that? But you'll figure it out as you go. Returning viewers, 52% less. Yeah, so I was not creating as much on this channel recently, and I'm plus 16. I'm still gaining subscribers, just not as many as I did the previous month. Down here, formats, they let you know. Content used to create shorts in the last 28 days. There's been 4 remixes. This one here, this cord cutting, has been like the top thing since I created it years ago. Still every day gets tons of views. And see these other ones, that's why I knew. I wasn't surprised that the Blu-ray video would have good numbers on it, because these have been good number videos for years. And that's a good thing about YouTube as well, is you create it years ago and still get views on it now. So that's why you would want to update your descriptions, update your stuff, make sure that there's, like, if you have new things you want people to know about it, you put it into the pinned comment, you put it into the description, you know, utilize it, because it's helping you. It's still creating income for you. It's still bringing in new viewers for you. It's doing all of those things. Top content within the last 28 days. The What Are the Mooney Key Rights I created shorts from. So I took, you know, that long form video and I remixed it into shorts, and that actually brought new eyes onto the Mooney Key Rights, and a couple of people purchased the Mooney Key Rights as a result of that. So that's also something to think about as you're going. It just depends on where you're at within all of this stuff, but it's good to know ahead of time that, like, these are possibilities for you. Sorry, my dogs are being extra aggravating at the moment. So top tips for your thumbnails. Let's see how your thumbnails are doing. These thumbnails are working well. Again, signs of the reptilians, the trans-channeling Pleiadian from emissaries of light. Make sure they're clear and easy to read. So we want big, easy to read letters. These two right here are lives that I did that just kind of, I should go back and change those. This one here, I should probably change because it's not very clear. Stand out next to other thumbnails. These are from my Halcyon Light Healing course that I shared on the channel. Always remember to find your style, keep it simple, target the audience, match designs to your viewers' preference and familiarity with you. That's what our branding is all about. And then want more, watch for more ways to boost your thumbnails. Okay, and then here's what you got up to last week. So yeah, look, 1 video, 1 short, 2 live streams, not a whole lot. 702 people tune in. Here's how they found you with the YouTube search, through playlist and the YouTube home. This is what they've watched. People didn't just watch, they liked, they shared, they commented. And you made $11.36 last week. That's $46.44 for the month. So that's awesome. That's more than the other channel. So you see, even with less content being made, less activity happening on it, this one actually made more money. So let's play a game. How many times were your videos... Your most liked video last week was the Blu-ray Souls, the Forgotten Ray, Archangel Michael Protection, and Deep Wisdom Keepers. My February recap is here. I did 4 videos, 7 shorts, 3 live streams, 8 posts. People watch your channel 5.1 thousand times, but you see January was better. That's why it doesn't look so great in this. And most viewers were new. They watched both recent and older uploads, so that's good. And they didn't just watch, they reached out. Keep up the good work. For sustainable viewership, your solid catalog can help you rely less on frequent posts. To be able to experiment, you can test new things while still getting views from older content. This will help you guys as well, just to see these things are based on a few things. Let's take a look. Do your videos stand out to people? Pretend you're a viewer that doesn't know your channel. What would you click on? I probably click on this one. And do people choose your videos? Every 100 times your thumbnails are shown, viewers choose them 2 times. Many popular videos are chosen up to 10 times in the first day. Do your videos keep people watching? Your 20-minute videos for 6 minutes, many popular 20 minutes. So in that case, you want to figure out where they're dropping off and change that, which you can do by going into the analytics of a video and being like, all right, where did they click off? And you can either shorten the video, or you can work on improving what happened in that video, or your editing skills, or your, how you're recording it, or what's going on in the recording. There's a lot of ways to improve. And then, do people enjoy your videos? People are shown more of what they like, share, and respond positively in YouTube surveys. Don't forget how people are influenced. Topic interests, competition. Are there other videos on that topic they could watch? Seasonality. Can you change content to match different interests during the year? And learn more from the YouTube expert recommendations. And I will probably show you more as we go, but what I was saying within like here, right? The views, the time, the average view duration is 9:58. Well, if 9:58 is the average view, so I can go in and look at what happens around 9:58. Or is that just like, is it too long? Because a lot of people getting to the point now where they don't like very long videos, so maybe I could have made this 30-minute video 10 minutes. Or maybe I could make another version of it that just breaks it down even less, or I only focus on like the top 3 signs of it. And then if people are interested in going deeper, they can do that. But there's all types of ways. First 9 days, 18 hours, comparing views of previous titles, excluding shorts. So yeah, this one's done pretty damn good. Boop. 3%. People are choosing to watch this video as often as your other videos. The click-through rate CTR is looking good. Boop. Watch time. It's more than normal. New subscriber. Estimated revenue. The intro, the top moment, the spike, and the dips. The dips are here. 62% of viewers are still watching at the 30 mark. The top moment. The nice work, this part of the video kept your viewers watching for longer than usual. 2 dips. So this is a dip here. So we'd want to figure out at 10:02 what happened at that part in the video. And then right here, it's the end of the video. It's kind of obvious people are going to start clicking off, but this would be the one to analyze and change how we are doing it in the next one so that people don't abandon or skip out. So hopefully that makes sense to you all. If you have any questions, please let me know. In Mene, namaste.